hello, this is like going on and what. And before we get into the video, I want to say one more thing. Can we hit 50 subscribers or 50 likes? Can we do that, please? That would be awesome. It would make Rim so happy. God dang it, Remy. Bringing in these apples. Yeah, guys. Remy always has a habit of bringing in the apples. We have an apple tree actually outside. I can show you. Ow. Okay. Focus. Behind that bush. Behind that bush. Right there is an apple tree and it drops apples. And Remy keeps picking it up over and over again. We're still working up on the yard. There's a guy named I don't want to tell you the name. There's a guy who's working on our yard, and that's why there's a mower over there. We don't usually have mowers in the backyard. Yeah. Okay. Alright. I want to shoot Remy. Remy! I want to see. Come on, Remy, walk! Walk for the camera! Walk for the camera! Look at that little watching! Remy! Remy! Yeah, look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna put you online. You're gonna be famous for the cutest dog ever. Remy. Remy. Look at that little. Look at the eyes. You do not look. No, Remy, stop it. Remy, come here. Look. Who wants a dog? They cannot say no to this dog. I mean, seriously. Remy. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. The cutest dog ever. How do you want to say no to this dog? Sometimes I like to snuggle with Rim. Yeah, Gesundheit, little Rim. Come on. Yeah, look at that. He's all happy now. Sometimes when we're gone, Remy poops in the hallway, and we're tired of. Yeah. It feels like I'm slender. What's on the screen? Forget. So if the whole floor area had the screen has a scent, a nose that you can smell what I'm smelling, you do not want to smell it. I know most of you are like, what is he talking about? Can I get you? Can I get you, Remy? Look, what are you doing? I have no idea what you. So yeah, Remy's sometimes he rips up all the paper, and this you cannot stay mad at. Is that right, Remy? Is that right, Remy? So yeah, it's a cute dog video. I'm gonna call it Remy the cute dog. Remy the cute dog. Let's watch the new. Oh, yeah. Let's watch. I was about to say let's watch the news, but I forgot it's not the news. So I want to hang out with you guys. I want to make new videos and just make new stuff. Also, I uploaded a new video, which got cool. Ain't that right, Remy? Ain't that right, Remy? Remy? Isn't that right? Like, oh my gosh. Why is he pointing at this? Is there questions? Oh no! Oh no! Sorry. So, oh wait, hang on. I forgot to show you something really cool. Well, not really cool. It's really messy. In here, you do not want to see what's in here, cause off limits. I kept that in last Halloween. I had some on the front. I had some on the front door, probably like right here or and right here on this and closet. Mom took it down on the under the TV. Grandkids make life more grand. I have no idea what I'm saying. Okay. So yeah, yeah, guys, this is my life. Messy, lazy, like Remy. Alright, so, oh god, bleh. So I want to go outside even deeper because the concrete is harder. It's like really hard, and you know what concrete feels like. And I might accidentally, yeah, this is really uncomfortable for me because I feel like my tablet's gonna fall down or fall out of my hands any minute. So yeah, this is my yard, my yardy yard. Okay, and look at that bird. This is an eagle. My dad likes eagles really badly. My mom likes roosters, and I like horses and dogs and cute things. So yeah, Rimi's still on a little bit of diet, but I keep messing up on his food level, but I fixed that on the last episode. So you know Krista the Mike has a poop station. If you go look up on poop station, this is a toilet. That's a trash can. That's toothpaste. That's a window. This is life. Yeah, he has a little poop station. And you know what's so disgusting about that poop station? Is there's this knob that, if you turn it on, it would spray your butt. It was so disgusting to look at. It's called a squat. Well, you're supposed to squat. It's so disgusting. Why am I telling you this? You're probably gonna be eating right now. So yeah. If you guys enjoyed this episode, please leave a like for me, Remy, Leo. I'll be really awesome, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye. No, really, if you guys enjoyed this episode of my vlog, please leave a like or a comment, and I'll see you all next time.